Bali, a paradise of emerald jungles, turquoise waters, and resorts that redefine luxury. But with hundreds of options, where do you stay? Whether you're looking for a luxury beachfront paradise, a budget-friendly resort for families, or a romantic honeymoon getaway, I've got you covered. In this video, we're counting down the top 10 best beach resorts in Bali for 2025. Stick around because the number one pick is an exclusive hidden gem that most travelers don't know about. Hey travelers, welcome back to Plan My Trip. Here we share travel tips, hotel guides, and the best destinations to visit around the world. If that sounds like your thing, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss a video. And if you're ready to book your Bali vacation, I've linked all the best hotel deals in the description so you can get exclusive discounts. Starting our list at number 10, we have the Laguna Resort in Nusa Dua. This luxurious beachfront escape features 7 stunning lagoon pools, a private white sand beach, and world-class Balinese hospitality. Whether you're on a honeymoon or a family trip, this resort offers a perfect blend of relaxation and adventure. From beachfront villas to a top-rated spa, the Laguna Resort is perfect for travelers who want a peaceful escape. Rooms start at just $220 per night. At number 9, the Anvaya Beach Resort in Kuta is perfect for travelers who love a mix of modern luxury and cultural heritage. Located right on Kuta Beach, you'll enjoy breathtaking sunsets, infinity pools, and stylish beachfront dining. Plus, it's just a short drive from the airport, making it a super convenient choice. This resort is ideal for those who want to enjoy Bali's nightlife while having a quiet retreat by the ocean. Rooms start at $150 per night. At number 8, the Grand Hyatt Bali is known for its huge tropical gardens, stunning beachfront villas, and world-class spa. This resort is perfect for families, offering kid-friendly pools and fun activities like Balinese dance performances and water sports. If you're looking for a resort with both luxury and affordability, this is a great pick. Rates start at $180 per night. Number 7, Ayana Resort and Spa in Jimbaran is a dream for those looking for pure luxury. This resort is home to the famous Rock Bar Bali, where you can sip cocktails while watching the sunset over the ocean. With private villas, multiple pools, and top-rated spas, this is one of Bali's best beachfront experiences. If you love breathtaking views and 5-star service, this is the place to be. Rooms start at $180 per night. At number 6, Melia Bali is an all-inclusive resort perfect for families and couples. With its private beach, world-class dining, and stunning tropical gardens, this resort is all about relaxation. Plus, it offers family suites and kids clubs, making it a great choice for travelers with children. For an all-inclusive beachfront escape, this is a must-stay. Rooms start at $180 per night. At number 5, the Seminyak Beach Resort and Spa is located in the heart of Seminyak, Bali's trendiest area. If you love beachfront luxury combined with lively nightlife and high-end restaurants, this is the place for you. Enjoy sunset views from your private balcony and indulge in the finest Balinese hospitality. Rooms start at $240 per night. Coming in at number 4, Bali Dynasty Resort is the best beach resort in Bali for families. It has a kids' water park, a huge playground, and a private beach. If you're traveling with little ones, this is a top pick. Parents will love the family suites, spa treatments, and all-inclusive dining options. Rooms start at $180 per night. Number 3, Nusa Dua Beach Hotel, 5-star resort offering authentic Balinese architecture, luxury spa treatments, and pristine beaches. Perfect for honeymooners and luxury travelers. The resort's lush gardens and beachfront views make it one of the most beautiful stays in Bali. Rates start at $220 per night. At number 2, the Apurva Kempinski Bali is an architectural masterpiece with infinity pools, private beachfront access, and one of Bali's best fine dining experiences. This 5-star resort offers stunning ocean views and an experience you won't forget. Rooms start at $300 per night. And finally, at number 1, we have the St. Regis Bali Resort, the ultimate beachfront luxury experience in Bali. If you want 5-star service, private pool villas, and breathtaking ocean views, this is the place to be. It's perfect for honeymooners, luxury travelers, or anyone looking for an exclusive beachfront retreat. Rooms start at $400 per night. So there you have it, the top 10 best beach resorts in Bali. Which one is your favorite? Drop a comment below. And if you want to book any of these resorts, check out the exclusive links in the description for the best deals. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more travel tips. See you in the next adventure.